Hey guys, I'm Jake and welcome to CADclass powered by Sliceform. This week we're going to be going over the basics of CAD modeling using Fusion 360. When I was first learning CAD modeling at my engineering school, day one they sat me in front of a computer and said, "Go, start modeling." And from day one, I was brute forcing myself to learn this program without any help and without really knowing what to ask. Because the worst part about learning a new software or a new skill is that you don't know what you don't know. And after years with these types of programs and using CAD literally every single day, I realized that if I to start to learn CAD all over again, there are two main things that I would want right from the beginning. I would want a community of like-minded makers, and I would want to work on projects that I found genuinely interesting. Here at CADclass, we have developed a complete beginner to pro course so you guys can learn without running into any of the pitfalls that we had to. Each week you'll work on a series of CAD projects accompanied by step-by-step guide, videos, and PDFs. On the first page of every PDF, you will see a QR code which will take you to a Discord channel for that specific project. The Discord channel is a place for you and your peers to discuss any problems that you may have on that project. This PDF and any extra files that you may need for that project can be found just below the video. In addition to this, we will also have weekly Zoom calls with you, your peers, and your teachers to help you out on any problems you may have throughout that week, and then help you on any projects that you may want to do in the future. In this week's class, we'll be showing off the interface of Fusion 360, or where everything else is. We'll also be showing the process of sketching, creating, and modifying the fundamentals of CAD design. For our first project, we'll be using those skill sets to recreate NASA's Saturn V rocket. This is the iconic rocket that took men to the moon in July 1969. Now, if you consider yourself a maker of any breed, whether you're a woodworker, metal worker, 3D printing enthusiast, laser printer, CNC nerd, and anything in between, then this class is definitely for you. If you are someone who considers yourself an expert in CAD, or someone that wants to get into 3D animation or design, then this course may not be for you. We're going to be guiding towards the engineers and the makers of the world. CAD, or computer-aided design, is a type of modeling software used to take 3D virtual models and turn it into the real-world thing. Now, in the world of simpler CAD models, you'll find an audience of people that are frustrated by its lack of usability or functionality. And on the other end of the spectrum, you'll find professional engineers that are using different programs that can cost tens of thousands of dollars per year for their very specific industry needs. And somewhere in the middle is where Fusion 360 lives. This is a program designed by makers for makers, with a lot of the functionality that you'll find in the professional software, but with the ease of use that you will come to love. For this course, you will need a laptop or a computer with an internet connection, a mouse with a clickable scroll wheel, as well as downloaded Fusion 360. You can download the hobbyist, education, or startup license, whichever one is applicable to yourself. Some other things that are nice to have but not strictly necessary would be a second monitor, which can be a game changer, as well as a pair of inexpensive digital calipers, which I have on my desk at all times. You can't run before you walk, so let's get started into Fusion 360 fundamentals and then start on our first project, the Saturn V rocket.